Customizing header-footer information is the third tab in the Modify Report area under the Customize Report button. This window displays the company name, report title, subtitle, and date prepared as choices that can be turned off or on, as well as wording and date modification as desired. The other fields, time prepared, report basis, and print header on pages after first page, can either be turned off or on. The footer section also allows for on-off selections and page number display and wording modification choices. The page layout choices include standard, left, right, center in terms of how the report is going to be positioned. A graphic representation will also appear on below the alignment choices. Also, if you make changes and want to revert back to the default, you can always select the Revert button. The last tab allows you to modify your fonts and numbers. The scroll-down window on the left indicates the different areas you can change your fonts for. So whether it's your column labels or your report basis, you can click on the Change Font button and change the font type, style, size, even the color of the font. On the right, you can determine whether you want any negative numbers to show with minus sign on the left, right, or in parentheses, or even in bright red to highlight the pane. On the bottom, you can choose whether to show number divided by 1,000 or exclude zero amount, and lastly, to round up to the nearest dollar. Back in Lesson 3, we reviewed preferences and which one of the preferences related to reports where you can select Format Default options where you can predefine your font and numbers so they come up automatically instead of having to change them each time. Let me show you how this works. Go to Edit Preferences and then go to the Reports and Graphs area and select the Format button, and you will have the same tabs we just went over, and what you set here becomes the default for your future reports. You can, of course, change these preferences anytime you want in case you change your mind.